Hey everyone, we're out here today at Heritage High School. It is October 20th.
2016, we're out here at our homecoming pep rally.
It's a nice day today. Everyone here is excited because tonight we're going to be playing Bentonville West at our home stadium, and there are so many people out here to celebrate our homecoming and our homecoming football game.
We're here to celebrate our homecoming court, and we're going to introduce all the people that are on it tonight, or today.
And the homecoming includes many such names such as Ethan Brown, Josh Palacios, even Zach Gall, and many nice women as well.
We're going to see what happens here, and we're going to have a good live stream today.
Yeah, let's hope for a good live stream. Everyone here is excited. It's just a really good day all around. There's a lot of amazing energy here today at Heritage High School.
And if you look behind us, you'll see the War Eagle football team as they're getting ready to play tonight. Hopefully pull out with a win for our homecoming game.
Yeah, they're just dispersed all over this crowd, and they're excited. Even us, the freshmen, are getting to wear our jerseys because it's just school pride.
So far, they've gone 0-7, but if you count last year, 0-17. Well, hopefully we can break that streak today and come out with a win and really pump up our energy going into the closing part of our season.
Yeah, we would really like that. This would be an amazing way to turn around everyone's thought of Heritage, and our just whole season would really lighten up if we win this game tonight.
We also got our orchestra here ready to play. Hopefully they'll do very good here at our pep rally for our homecoming today.
Yeah, they're excited. They've been rehearsing for hours now. You know they're ready to play.
Also, we'd like to give a shout out to the crew that brought you this live stream, headed by Miss Sandy Beeson.
And second in line, Ryan Gall. He's been a real help setting up these live streams.
All right, we're going to see what we do here, and we're about to get started.
Freeze play.
Trey Kitterman, 16, quarterback.
All right, here. Look at. Come on. All right, here we're here today with Isaiah Tibbs, number 11 for the War Eagle freshman team, and number 9 Seth Curran from the sophomore team, which he's on JV and varsity. These are both really good players, and we're gonna talk to Seth first. What do you think about tonight's game?
I think it's gonna be a fight. You know, we haven't won in 2 years, and they've won. New school, new program. It's just gonna be something to learn from.
Yeah, it is. We must envy them. All right, and we're gonna talk to Isaiah Tibbs next. What do you think about all this?
Well, I think with Trey Kitterman wearing the lucky number 16, knowing that they're 0-16, I think they will end that streak because I think they will come out homecoming night and play their game their hardest and give as much effort as they can.
That was really good, Tibbs. Now we're going to talk about how you think the homecoming pep rally is going to go today. Are you really excited for it?
Well, I was really excited last year because I was in homecoming court, but this year it's not going to be so exciting because I'm just standing here. So, you know.
Is there anyone on homecoming court that you'd like to give a shout out to?
Shout out to Zach Gall and Lance Ward. You know.
All right, that's very
That's
exciting.
a good shout out. Would you like to? Do you know anyone on homecoming court?
Your mom.
What?
Did you say homo?
I didn't hear what you said.
He's talking about Harrison Downer.
Oh, that was rude.
Wait, is this getting recorded? To where?
No, it's not.
Do you have any special players or anyone on homecoming court you want to shout out?
I want to shout out.
Hey, what are you
Yeah,
doing?
you're in our live stream right now.
Do you want to say anything about today's game or the assembly?
Come out to the game and support the War Eagles.
Thank
Yes,
you.
the War Eagles.
Now I want to shout out.
Okay, yeah, this is. And do you have anyone you want to shout out?
I would like to shout out my boy Zach Gall because he be in this homecoming port and he be putting in that work on the field too. Let's go, War Eagles.
Let's
What
go.
about you,
That is
Seth
a good
Curran?
shout out.
Hey, I want to give a shout out to Chuck Ellison. You know, he's been working.
Also Chuck Ellison
working.
because he be putting in that work
He's gonna
because
be
he's
playing
100% savage.
If I play, I'm gonna be playing for him.
All right,
That's
that
a
was
good
some
shout
good
out.
insight, guys.
This is a good day today. The stadium is now packed. Everyone is extremely excited for this assembly.
Go back to your seats.
May I have your attention, please? Please. Okay. Welcome Heritage students to this year's homecoming ceremony and pep rally. I'm Lexi Olivares, your student body president. The first portion of our assembly is dedicated to the ceremony of homecoming. Ms. Dean will later announce when the pep rally begins. We are excited to have each and every one of you here to support our War Eagles. We extend a sincere welcome to parents and the administration of Rogers Public Schools, especially to our new superintendent, Dr. Marlon Berry. We would like to pay special recognition to the alumni of Heritage High School and sing our alma mater in honor of them. So please stand and join us while our national anthem is performed by the Heritage Chamber Choir. Remain standing as the band accompanies us singing the alma mater. And now, let's welcome the Heritage Dance 2 and 3 classes.
Once upon a time,
Jaquez and Jennifer climbed up the beanstalk.
into Sky Kingdom.
They met fairies, gods, and treasures of the untold.
And in the end, they found out that all they wanted to do was dance.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same. Gave you another day, switch up the batteries.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be rocking over that bass treble. I'ma be chillin' with my I'ma be making all the noise you wanna do. I'ma be up in them A-list flicks, doing one-handed flips, and I'ma be sipping on drink. 'Cause I'ma be shaking my hands. You gon' be licking your lips. I'ma be taking.
You gotta know, I'm feeling love, made it glow, but never loved her. Another one, another you, it's gotta be, love I said it. You gotta know, I'm feeling love. You gotta know, I'm feeling love. I'm really down, and I'm trying to find love, I'm really crying. They ask me if I'm real,
All my diamonds shine.
I need you. Love me. Beside me.
kid, girl. He's still girl, yes. Walked in this party and these girls looking at me. Skinny jeans on and on my head nappy. Hey, okay. I want y'all to do this dance now. Juju on that beat, juju on that beat, juju on that, juju on that, juju on that beat. Now slide, chop, hit don't fall, don't stop, hey, don't stop, hey. Don't stop, hey, run a man on that beat, run a man on that beat, hey, run a man on that beat, hey, run a man on that beat. Now, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance, hey. You ugly, you your daddy's son, hey, do your dance, hey, go crazy, hey, get freaky, hey, let's go.
Now is the time to introduce the young ladies and men you've chosen for your 2016 homecoming court. Please hold your please hold your applause until the end of the procession. And now to announce the freshman attendants and their escorts is Callie Cook, your freshman class president.
Representing the freshman class is Josie Stitt. She is the daughter of David and Karen Stitt. She is the granddaughter of Orlo and Mary Stitt and Vaughn and Carlo Razum. Josie is a member of the Heritage Volleyball and Soccer team. She is an FBLA and is a part of the first freshman class to take an AP course. Outside of school, she mentors a 5th grader at Northside Elementary School. Josie is active in her church and leads a 3rd grade girls small group at Fellowship Bible Church. Her escort is Harrison Downard. Harrison is the son of Todd and Melissa Downard. He is a member of the Heritage basketball and varsity tennis teams. Outside of school, he is a part of NWA Wings basketball, Ozark Tennis Academy teams, and Gravity Youth Ministries and the Ozark Mission Project. Also representing the freshman class is Josie Wilson. She is the daughter of Paul and Jeannie Wilson. Josie is a member of the Heritage Competition Cheer Team. Outside of school, she is involved in the Arkansas Cheer Dynamics All-Star Cheer Team and is in the Gravity Youth Group at Central United Methodist. Her escort is Ben Pollock. Ben is the son of Brad and Mandy Pollock. He is a member of the Heritage Freshman Baseball Team, has a 3.75 GPA, and takes part in a leadership class. And now to announce the sophomore attendants and their escorts is your sophomore class president, Nayeli Ortiz.
Representing the sophomore class is Morgan Bird. Morgan is the daughter of Aaron and Tracy Bird. Morgan is on the Heritage Cheer Team and Heritage Girls Track Team. She is the junior Miss Heritage High School, and she is a member of Student Senate and a JV Spirit Officer. Outside of school, she is involved in All-American cheerleading, and she competed for the title of Miss Arkansas High, and volunteers at All Whitey Myth fundraisers. Morgan's escort is Brett Lemond. Brett is the son of Francis Lemond. He is a member of the JV and varsity Heritage football team and Heritage boys track team. Brett is also in Student Senate. Additionally, representing the sophomore class is Samantha Moore. Samantha is the daughter of Brett and April Moore. She is a member of the Educational Talent Search. Outside of school, Samantha is a volunteer at Nightmares Haunted House. She is the winner of the Elizabeth Ann Johnson Outstanding Giver Award and advocate for the LGBT community and a member of Amp Guard LARP. Her escort is Rafael Castro. Rafael is the son of Rafael and Gabriela Castro. He is a member of the Heritage Soccer team. Rafael's big dream is to be in the U.S. team for boxing so he can compete in the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo. At the age of 3, his dad bought him his first pair of boxing gloves and began competing at the age of 12. In 2013, he won a belt for his weight division. Rafael trains 2 hours a day and 7 days a week. And now, to announce your homecoming Duke and Duchess is your student body secretary, Lizette Cazares.
The Duchess bearing the Heritage Homecoming Princess crown is Alexis Martinus. Alexis is the daughter of Carl Martinus and Erica Schaefer. She is in the 2nd grade. Alexis is in the chess club and also enjoys playing soccer, softball, and basketball. She is also an active member of Girl Scouts. Her escort is Landon Kerr. Landon is the son of Eric and Adrian Kerr. He is in the 4th grade and the class ambassador to help out new students. Landon has won the English Language Art Award. His hobbies outside of school include birdwatching, soccer, and Civil War/World War II history. And now to announce the junior attendants and their escorts is Jalissa Guadarrama, junior class president.
Representing the junior class is Andrea Alfaro. Andrea is the daughter of Mario Alfaro and Alma Corletto. Andrea is a member of HHS Sideline Dance Team, Fringe Club, FBLA, and Chamber of Commerce. Outside of school, Andrea does community service at the Children's Library and attends St. Vincent de Paul Church. Her escort is Ethan Brown. Ethan is the son of Marshall and Christy Brown. He is a member of the Heritage Football Team, Chamber Choir, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, and has received the Chamber of Commerce Academic Achievement Award. Outside of school, Ethan is a member of Flagstone Church of Christ Youth Group, a referee for Rogers Activity Center, and a scorekeeper for Rogers Youth Baseball. Also representing the junior class is Macy Jane Bowman. Macy is the daughter of Stephen and Christy Bowman. She is a member of HOSA, DECA, and Link Crew. Macy is also in varsity soccer and on the honor roll. Outside of school, she attends Flagstone Church of Christ, works at a snow cone place called Bring Free Snow and Whips, and is a Hog fan. Macy's escort is Zachary Gall. He is the son of Kimberly Gall and Joey Gall, all Rogers graduates. He is the grandson of Rick and Eva Vinton Elmer and the late Felicia Gall, the late Joey Vantine, and Don and Donna Goley, also Rogers graduates. Zachary is involved in varsity football, varsity soccer, badminton, and War Eagle excellence. Outside of school, he attends Fellowship Bible Church. Also representing the junior class is Isabella Meneses Forseth. Isabella is the daughter of Barry Forseth and Alicia Meneses. She is a member of the tennis team and DECA. Isabella is a Heritage Scholar with a 4.1 GPA and was recognized as a top 50 junior and has also won the Chamber of Commerce Academic Award. Outside of school, she is a waitress at Blue in Bentonville and attends St. Vincent de Paul, where she volunteers with the youth group. Her escort is Lance Ward. Lance is the son of Donnie, who is currently serving overseas, and Sherry Ward. He is the grandson of Larry and Sandra Courtney, and Robert and Sheila Ward. Lance is a member of Heritage Football and has played since 2nd grade. He is also in FCA, ETS, and DECA. Lance has received the Chamber of Commerce Award Certificate of Academic Achievement and was nominated for the National Honor Society. Outside of school, Lance loves to ride dirt bikes. And now to announce the homecoming Duke and Duchesses from Eastside Elementary, a Heritage feeder school, is Leslie Guadarrama, your student body vice president.
The Duchess bearing the Heritage Homecoming Queen crown today is Jessa Goosings. Jara is the daughter of Nick and Leah Goosings. Jara is in first grade at Eastside Elementary. Outside of school, she dances, swims, and plays soccer. She loves cheeseburgers and to show her artistic skills. Escorting Jara is our second Duke, Eli McClelland. Eli is a son of Rob and Samantha McClelland. Eli is a kindergartner at Eastside Elementary. He attends First Baptist Church of Lowell and loves to play t-ball. His favorite food is pizza and chicken nuggets. When Eli grows up, he would like to be a police officer and preacher. And now to announce the senior attendants and their escorts is Kaylin Vaughn, your senior class vice president.
Representing the senior class is Brittany Dean. Brittany is the daughter of Bruce and Angie Dean. She is the HHS softball team captain, made 7A All-State 2016 and a 3-year letterman. She is a third-year Chamber of Commerce Award winner and, of course, a proud leader of the 2016-17 Blue and Orange Student Section. Outside of school, Brittany is a member of the NWA Knockout softball team, a 4th-time runner-up in National and World Series. She also enjoys playing guitar, piano, and singing. Brittany is escorted today by Josh Palacios. Josh is the son of Roberto and Maria Palacios. Josh is a member of the Heritage Football Track team. He is also in Student Senate and a decathlete. Outside of school, Josh attends the Church of God Peniel, works at Home Goods, plays guitar and drums, loves to work out and cook. Also representing the senior class is Hunter Holcomb. Hunter is the daughter of Chad and Kelly Holcomb. She is a member of the Heritage Cheer team and a hydration specialist for the football team, and also is an FCCLA. She is a Heritage Scholar and received a Chamber of Commerce Award. Hunter is also a lifeguard. Hunter's escort is Noah Cornog. Noah is the son of Michael and Christia Cornog. He is a member of both competition and sideline cheer teams, a 2015-16 All-State cheerleader, 2-time NCAA All-American, and a 3rd time in honor roll. He is also a co-vice president of the Young Democrats Club. Noah competes for Arkansas Cheer and Dynamics, is into photography. Also representing the senior class is Jennifer Flores. Jennifer is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jose Flores. Jennifer participates in Link Crew, FCCLA, Educators Rising, and is taking AP classes. Outside of school, Jennifer enjoys to spend her spare time volunteering. She also enjoys shopping and watching Netflix. Escorting Jennifer is Joel Reyes. Joel is the son of Jose and Santos Reyes. He's a member of Keystone Club, HHS Marching Band, where he's a tuba section leader and is also in a book club. Outside of school, Joel volunteers at the Boys and Girls Club and at the HHS Library. He enjoys expressing his views by reading. He enjoys to babysit and loves to read. His hobbies include running. And now to announce the 2016 homecoming royalty is our Heritage High School principal, Miss Steen. Where's she at?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you your 2016 Homecoming Court. Will the junior attendants and their escorts please step forward? You, the 2016-17 student body of Heritage High School, have chosen one of these 3 young ladies to be your princess and one of these young men to be your prince. I have the results of that election here in my hand. Okay. And your 2016 homecoming prince is Zach Gall. And your 2016 homecoming princess is Isabella Meneses. Ladies and gentlemen and parents, we're going to ask as we announce the king and queen that you hold your picture taking because we're going to go immediately into a pep rally, and as soon as the rally is over, you can take all the pictures you want, okay? Will the senior attendants and their escorts please step forward? You, the 2016-17 student body of Heritage High School, have chosen one of these 3 young ladies to be your homecoming queen and one of these men to be your king. We have the results here in my hand. Your 2016 homecoming king is Josh Palacios. And your 2016 homecoming queen is Brittany Den.
I just want to say thank you for everyone who voted, and I hope to see everyone in this gymnasium at the football game tonight as we take on the Wolverines. Go War Eagles!
I just want to say thank you to everyone who voted, and I want to make a shout out to Tay Dixon, and I hope you all come out to support the War Eagles tonight. Oh, and I'd like to apologize to Chandler for breaking his leg.
At this time, I would like to introduce Ashley Pledger from the Downtown Rogers Partners. She is here to announce the winner of the Homecoming Window Painting Contest.
I have $100 in my hand, and it goes to Student Council.
Congratulations, Student Council. At this time, we're going to prepare the gym for a pep rally. Could I have Mr. Travis, please come to the microphone. Tony Travis. Coach Travis, where is he?
I don't know. Miss Eisenberger asked me to.
Okay. As soon as they get everything ready.
Okay.
Got my keys right here.
Coach Travis.
I'd like you to invite people to come out to the game tonight. Starts at 7, then go west.
All right. We're here today with Trey Kitterman, the starting quarterback for the Heritage Varsity, and he's been having a.
Listen up, Coach Travis wants to say something.
One second, Coach. Our Coach Travis is going to say something.
Hey, we'd like, on behalf of the football team, football program, we'd like to invite everyone out tonight, 7 o'clock, for our homecoming game. It's going to be a great night for football. Not only do we want to have the best football team on the field tonight, we want to have the best band, best cheer, best dance, best ball section there is. So be there tonight. Thank you.
All right, now we're out here with the starting quarterback for the Heritage Varsity, Trey Kitterman, number 16. How do you feel about the game tonight, Trey?
I'm feeling very confident about tonight. We're prepared. We watched film on them. We know their weaknesses and their strengths, so we're gonna pick them apart. And we're gonna take this homecoming win.
You're gonna get that W. You heard it from Trey himself.
Go, War Eagle.
And thank you everyone for tuning in today to watch this assembly. Things are getting down right now. Cheerleaders out here. Everything's getting lit. The band is getting excited. The whole crowd clapping their hands. Let's go. Thank you for watching today. We'll be out. Let's go.
Dance. Competition dance. No, let's cheer. Dance. What?
Please welcome out your competition dance squad.
And I know that you must go, and I know that tides must turn, and that they don't stop on account of me, but all I want is you tonight. 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 'Cause your hands, they hold my heart. Your hands, they guide them all. And I know that you awake and pray loud for me, and they all stop on account of me. All I want, all I want, all I want is you.
All right, guys. Please welcome out to the court, Dance and Cheer.
That's not what it said.
All right, guys. All right, guys. Just hold on. Just hold on. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Connor Thomas needs the mic just for a second.
How's it going? How's it going? Hey, hey, hey. How are you out of order? Hey, hold him up, hold him up, hold him up. Hey, Megan, will you go to homecoming with me? I don't know where you are. Hey, hey.
All right. And now, the winner of your homecoming pep rally, juniors.
pick.
What the heck, bro? What the heck?
I don't
Oh,
pick.
that was ours.
I don't
You
pick.
know that was ours, bro.
I don't
You know that was ours.
Go ahead and start. Time to go, or do we do the fight zone? Okay, go. Say it. I want to go to the middle so they don't start
We hope you will attend the semi-formal homecoming dance tomorrow night in the Commons from 7:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Remember to bring your ID and your ticket. Tickets will be sold at the door for $10. We also encourage you to come to the parade this afternoon at 4 p.m. in downtown Rogers. Thank you for coming to the 2016 Homecoming Assembly. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope to see you at the homecoming game and pregame ceremony tonight at the homecoming dance tomorrow. And at this time, students will be dismissed to 5th hour. Thank you.
Hey guys, and now we're here with Palacios from the Heritage varsity team, and he just won Homecoming King. And we're also here with Chuck Ellison.
What's up, guys?
And we're out here. And today was a great pep rally. We're here with both Palacios brothers. And what do all you think about tonight's game and you winning Homecoming King? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited about this, but I'm more excited to go and kick some Wolverine butt.
That's right. That's right.
Defense, I'm going to take care of the offense.
That's right. That's right. And he's just been crowned once again. He's been having a good game.
Good. It's a good.
Thank you for the interview.
I love how Robert wins. I like Robert. He's cool.
What are you going to do tonight at tonight's game, Palacios?
I'm going to kill it. That's all I got to say.
Let's go. Let's go, Palacios. All right.
Gang. Shout out Flamingo Gang.
This is Matthew Plummer, IR Reserve. IR Reserve, whatever. But he is the leader of the injured reserve team for Heritage.
Shout out to Carter Christian, all the other injured boys trying to make moves on the sideline. Get ready for these games.
This is Carter Christian speaking.
Everyone, I tore my ACL and I'm gay.
Yeah. Dude, and we're still getting interviews down here. Zion, what do you think about tonight's game?
We're going to win.
He said we're going to win. We're still getting some good interviews out here. Jaquez, can we get an interview? For the live stream, I would say. Or I'll interview Coach Chris.